you can now edit Google Drive videos in the browser using Google Vids. So I've been talking a lot about Google Vids because it's an exciting new tool. I haven't used it heaps myself, like for my day-to-day work, but I really want to use it. I want to find ways to use it. I guess we'll probably be using it for presentations somehow, although I usually like to present live rather than creating pre-recorded stuff. But Google Vids is kind of a new file format inside your Google Drive. I've created some other videos on it as well, but it's kind of like halfway between recording a video or a voiceover and making a presentation from scratch. It lets you blend the two together. So a mix of either pre-recorded videos or AI avatar generated videos or just AI generated videos in general. So there might be like pictures or animals, or you can see here, can of soft drink, whatever you want. And you build them on a timeline, or Google would call it a storyboard. And from there, you can piece together what becomes a fully finished rendered video. And it's effectively a new kind of document file format. And Google's calling it Google Vids, available right now in your Google Drive. Go and check it out. So what Google are giving you the ability to do now is take any video inside your Google Drive and turn it into a Google Vid, which is pretty interesting. So let's go and have a look at this. All right, so I've got a video here in my Google Drive, and let's see if I've got a button to open it. There we go. Okay, so it's right up the top here. I can click open with Google Vids, and hopefully this is going to give me an editor where I can edit the video. So right now this is a 3-minute video. Here we go.
Today I had a team member shoot me a contract, but they needed
All right,
me to...
so this is some content that Scott's helped us create, but maybe I say, you know what? I want a better introduction for this. So I'm going to add new scene, and I'm going to grab that scene. Let's see if I can drag it up to the front, just like a video editor. Yes, I can. Great. And in the new scene, let's say I want to add in probably an AI avatar would be best. Here's something really exciting I just found in Google Workspace. All right, that's going to be our intro. So I write the script there. And of course, I could use Gemini to generate that script if I wanted to. And then I choose the avatar. Now, at this point, I can't yet choose myself as an avatar. I'm sure Google are working on that. But I'm going to find someone who looks as close to Scott as possible. I'm going to go for this nerdy looking dude here. All right. And all right, preview. And the first thing that happens when you do a preview...
Here's something really exciting I just found in Google Workspace.
...is you're going to get like a kind of low quality rendering without the lips being perfect. I'm going to go generate there, and that should insert that into this scene here. And so it's going to give me my scene first doing the introduction, and I'm going to have to move my face away from that. Let me do that. So it's first going to give me my scene on the left-hand side here, and then it's going to go into the main video. But that gives you a bit of an idea of what this tool does. Google Vids is effectively a storyboard, video, and presentation creator. Lets you do a hybrid of both. Very cool tool. And here we go. From the top, let's hit play.
Here's something really exciting I just found in Google Workspace.
Today I had a team member shoot me a contract.
You know what? I don't hate that. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. So there you go. That's Google Vids. Check it out. The new feature there is that I can take a video straight from my Google Drive, hit the button, and end up inside of Google Vids. So yeah, I like that. Very cool feature there. You can edit videos by transcript inside of Google Vids. And this is a very, very clever feature. This is basically what another really cool tool called Descript does. It's a video editor, and it lets you edit videos just from the transcript of the video, and it does all the editing in the background for you. You just need to change the words, and it does it all for you. So you can now do an edit just from the transcript, which is pretty cool. And when you edit, it's going to automatically trim the video for you, which is pretty impressive. Next up, convert images to video with VO3 in Google Vids. Plenty of people have been playing with this and posting memes and stuff online. So taking a static image and then turning it into a video. I have not yet used this one myself. We use a text prompt to animate the image, which is pretty cool. Getting very, very, very interesting. All the things you can generate now dynamically using Gemini.
If you liked this video, we've got plenty more on the channel covering this topic and much, much more.